Due to the recent consecutive earthquakes which were more than 6 magnitude hit in Mindanao, Philippines, where many structures and infrastructures had been devastated that caused millions of damages, House of Representatives Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano seeks to review the 1977 National Building Code of the Philippines. The National Building Code of the Philippines is a government policy covering technical requirements in constructing or renovating buildings and structures in the country to secure the life, health, properties, and welfare of the Filipinos. According to the report of Margie Pelayo, the proposed Building Code of the Philippines 2019, or the House Bill 4008, was currently stalled at the House of Representatives. The bill seeks to repeal Presidential Decree 1046, or the Philippine National Building Code. According to Representative Mikey Romero of At1 Pacman, it is high time to amend the law, which is now considered very old, dating back its establishment year 1977. Is there any problem in the Philippine Building Code? According to some construction experts, there is nothing wrong in the standards set by the National Building Codes of the Philippines, or if they are referring to the National Structural Code of the Philippines as well, because the factor of safety is high enough. According to them, the problem is in operating procedures and the quality of materials being used, because there are some nation builders which are not following the structural plan as designed by structural engineers, and this may lead to failures when earthquake came. As a nation builder assigned in construction industry, the only thing I could say is that the implementation and methodology as per plan must be strictly complied accordingly, because the structural plan, to be specific, is the skeleton of the building and designed according to some considerations such as soil condition, also the dead load, live load, wind load, and seismic load in the Philippine settings so that it can withstand such calamity. We are not only responsible of the aesthetic finishes, how it looks, but we are also responsible for the safety of the end users. Huwag nating ipagpalit ang isang bakal sa kaligtasan ng lahat. Let's continue praying for the recovery of the affected individuals in Mindanao, Philippines. Let's spread love, not hate.